Good afternoon. I'm going to try to do this video to help out Jimmy a little bit. This amp here is the Pant Forward amp. It's kind of similar to what he's got going with his amp. I've got it turned on. Let me turn it off right here so I can point to a couple things without shocking myself. Okay. On this particular amp, this one's solid state rectified, so I've got right here are my two HT leads coming from my power transformer. These are AC. It's going to go through these diodes. Once it goes through the diodes, now it's going to be DC. And that DC is what's going to be supplying most everything that's powered in this amp. Now at the same time, I've got a lead coming off this top side in orange right here that goes over right here. This is still AC. It's the same voltage as what this HT is. It's going to go through this resistor. It's going to reduce it in voltage. Then it's going to go through this diode right here. Now it's going to become DC. Here is my filter cap to take out the ripple, just like Jimmy's 10 UFs, I believe, if I remember right. Here's my trim pot right here. And this is going to be my bias voltage right here where the pencil is, which is going to go up to this center point right here on these two 220K resistors right here. On this particular one, I've got, because of space on the board, I put the last resistor ahead of the trim pot. It doesn't matter which way it goes. You're still varying the voltage on the two. And I'll go over it quickly with a meter. I'll try not to make you guys too sick by moving this around. Let me go back and I'll start all over. I'll come back, flip it on. Standby is still off. Here's my fluke. I'm going to put it up to volts. You can see I've got one end of it alligator clip grounded to a ground inside. Now, the 120 volt has transformed through this transformer, and now I've got at this lead right here 268.9 volts. That's my HT on this particular transformer. It's the smaller transformer than what Jimmy's is. This will kind of give you the same idea. So I got 269 AC volts. At the same time, this orange wire, which goes from here over to the top side of right here, which I've also got 269 volts right there. Sorry, I'm moving, trying to do voltage and not shock myself. It's going to go through this resistor, and now it's going to be cut down to, see, I'm at this resistor right here. I'll take the lead off. I'm sorry. Let me get two hands a little better. Now I'm back on the lead, and I've cut down to 155 volts. I'm still AC. So we're still AC at this point with my lead right here. Now I'm going to go through this diode, the same diode that Jimmy's got. Once I go through this diode, now it's going to become DC. So I've got to take the meter,